going to quickly race through some slides and then a bit of demo, and then go hand it to Gary. Talk about some of the things we're doing in this sprint. So one of the things is continuing work on the Merlin Uploader 2.0, as we're calling it. And before a quick demo, I want to quickly just go back over the key requirements that have been driving this piece of work, just to put everyone in. So the I/O integration, don't really need any more explanation around that. It's improved UX, so basically just improving the productivity of everyone using the system. How does that look like? That's things like infinite scrolling, bulk accepting and ignoring new, existing and leaving clients, fast feedback, and operations being performed in the background. The QA team actually asked us for an API endpoint to create and update clients, not only in our own system, but in the I/O system. So we've been doing that for them as well. And this one's kind of in brackets, but as an engineering team, we're always looking for ways that we can sort of strangle off the old legacy platforms with new code. And you've heard all this stuff about high test coverage, greater confidence, and all these type of things, so I'm not going to bore you with that. During this sprint, so we've completed the new client screen, we've improved the UX further. We've had various sort of technical improvements, which are kind of listed there, for some of the examples, and we've also begun work with the QA team to work on our system level tests. During the next sprint, we plan to complete the existing and leaving clients' views, resolve any issues that we get back in our feedback, and just the final one there, just a bit more further investigation around any potential I/O rate limiting that we might run into. So onto a quick demo just to show you how that looks. So it's all deployed onto our system test environment. If you just go to the sign-in page. Go into the uploads.
That had the opposite effect of what I was expecting.
Wasn't a good enough demo. And we've just stuck a link in here that links you out to the new view. So you come into here, go on here, let's select a nice big employee upload, CSV, hit upload. This might take a few moments, that's pretty quick. So what you're going to see here is you've actually got a really big CSV. There's actually 500 clients in there, and these are, the system's identified that these are all clients that are new clients to the system. Subsequent views would then show our existing clients, and also there'd be a third screen for clients to remove or give you the option to remove them. So just to quickly show, I'm going to talk about bulk accepting and ignoring clients. That's basically just the option to kind of to check things while moving and perform these operations all at once. If I was to say confirm a few as well, you'd see that I can then confirm those uploads are happening, and while that's happening I can continue to use the UI and select other clients. And there's also a mass select button here. If we go back into Merlin and we go into the employees page, if you could remember any of those line numbers, you'd see that they'd be very top. And if I had time, I'd really quickly go into Intelligent Office, but I don't, so I'm going to hand it to Gary.
Just 40 seconds left.
Cool, we can do it. No slides, I can share the poster after if you'd like. So a couple of things. We added a RESTful endpoint to the Event Migrator service, and this allows us to track a user's events and have them in one central place. So once it's implemented in all of our other services, we'll be able to get an overview of a user's complete journey through all of the services and apps, which will be great. The risk illustration data, which updates every 6 to 12 months, I believe. That was a manual process to get that into the engine. We've created a Node script that does that now. And also, the ping dashboard, really quick. We, working with Dave from Ops, this now reads from his service. So any new services that come about, will appear here, and we have this option now where we can toggle them depending on what we want to see. So you don't have to see all 7,000 services at once. You can really slim it down to what you need to see at that current time. So it makes it a lot easier to see what's going on, and yeah, that's great.